Hey, Bill.
Hey, Frank.
How's the business going?
Pretty businessy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you ever think about why your name is Bill?
What?
You know, like, Bill is a part of a beak,
Frank.
and your name is Bill, and you're a bird.
Frank, Frank.
And you have a beak, and...
Frank, please.
There's gonna be a bird pun in there somewhere.
No, Frank. There is no pun. My name is Bill. Thousands of other birds are named Bill. I am no different.
Are you sure it's not a bird pun?
It's not a fucking bird pun! You do this every day, Jesus Christ!
What are you talking about?
Like last week, I was 5 minutes late to work and you said you were going to talon me! I am not a fucking hawk! I don't have talons, that doesn't even work!
Oh, come on, that was one time.
And the day before that, you were all like, boy, you sure are in a foul mood, when I accidentally dropped my suitcase and got angry because it unlatched and all the files inside got disorganized.
Oh, come on, calm down.
Just... Okay.
Are you cool now?
God damn it, Frank!